This is a 2007 Subaru Outback. This wagon has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 2.5-liter engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a sunroof, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a CD player, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Harris Ford Lincoln is Washington State's largest volume Ford dealer. We carry a huge available inventory of both new and pre-owned vehicles, priced to market and ready to own. We are a transparent dealership that shows you everything you need to buy with confidence. And because of that, we are also Washington's leading Google-rated Ford Lincoln dealer.